Check it. Look at that. What? You don't like asparagus? Our Sunday morning breakfast here, a little team effort. Well, thank you again, Amanda, and I have something for you. I have a gift for you.
Oh.
I hope you can use it. I carved this in my last video.
Oh, awesome.
Spreading hummus, cashew butter, anything that's for you in your van. I hope you enjoy it.
I'm going to serve Frank chicken on it like a little platter.
Nice.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
All right, we are getting out of camp to do a little exploring. Saw something on the map about an old historic bridge, so we're heading out to see if we can find them. Oh, private property. In cooperation with private landowner, access across this road to the public is granted. Okay, so we can do it. Camp at least a quarter mile from livestock waters. All right, let's go check it out. Those are some big chunks of wood. You know, cow getting by those. Not responsible for accidents or injuries. Disclaimer. Yep. What's it say on the other side? Ha. If something here offends you, please let us know. We could all use a good laugh. Characters, huh? Oh, so it's just this little stretch, I guess. Another private property here. Doesn't look like this one is occupied. House is pretty dilapidated. And another gate. So it's gotta come this way. That's a big gate. Alright. Rocky, saguaros, barrel cactus. A lot more cactus. Wow, look at this big one up here. Look at all these orange flowers out here. So many. Pretty. That's how I missed the rattlesnake. I was busy looking at the flowers. It's true. Okay, yeah, we cut through these mountains and we should be seeing water here. Bridge, height clearance 13.6, width 18, 40,000 pounds. Gillespie Dam Bridge. Dam Bridge. Should we cross it first? Come take a break. There's an off-road crew. Oh, looks like there's an old concrete dam up there that's broken. Does this woman have clothes on? Doing video. She got a bikini on with her rifle. Oh my god. She's straight. Doing it for the gram. Look at this old concrete structure up on the hill. A-doo-ba-doo, a-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-boo. Doing a little snack break here by the bridge. Just cooking up some ramen. Kind of an overcast day today, but it's still quite warm. It looks like there is the Gillespie Dam here, and it is broken open over towards that side there. Interesting way to release a dam. I don't know if that was done on purpose or not. We'll have to look up the history here. Okay, well, it looks like the bridge was actually built in 1927. That's when it was completed. It was a part of old historic Highway 80. And the dam that you see behind it here was actually built in 1920. And you can see it has since failed. That actually happened in the year 1993 on January 9th, about 10:30 a.m. There was excessive flooding in the area, and it just broke right through the dam there, and they just let it crumble, and it's sat ever since. And what we're seeing right now is a pretty rare occasion. This is the Gila River, and it's flowing pretty good. This is rare. It probably hasn't flowed like this since, back in 1993. We did talk to quite a few locals that were here. There was a lot of people just here visiting, and they were out because they heard it was flowing. I guess due to the excessive rain the year prior, all the lakes above this were quite full, and they released a lot of water, which filled up the Gila River. So this is actually pretty rare. We did talk to one local that said he's been in the area for 30 years and has never seen the Gila River flow like this. They're usually coming to this riverbed and actually hiking up it because it's usually so dry. So it was kind of cool. We saw something a little bit rare, and we didn't really realize it when we showed up, but after talking to a lot of the locals there, we realized that we got to witness something that hasn't happened in quite a few years. So that may change moving forward if we keep getting the heavy rains that we've been getting all over the West. But yeah, pretty neat. It was worth coming and checking out. And we came across yet another rattlesnake. This is number 3 that we've seen just in the area. This one was a little smaller than the last one, but still pretty good size.
Oh, Frank's inside. He's like, guys, I'm helping.
He's got a super leg.
Look at, hi, buddy.
Hey, Frank.
Okay, we got the whole team on board.
Okay, you're in.
Yeah, nice. Crux is done. Thank
Cool.
you.
Yeah, you bet. I've got, like I said, I've got a bunch of different adhesive stuff.
Okay.
If you decide you want to go that route.
Yeah, I was gonna.
Razor knives if you need an extra blade.
Cool.
So.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
She's got her foam board up in there, fit all nice and snugly around the boards, and then she's going to go up with this vapor barrier, this plastic taped up there, and then she's got nice tongue and groove cedar planks to go up. She's starting on the cedar tongue and groove planks, which look really nice. It's a great idea for doing this front cap section. They're fitting in there real nice, just tacking them in the middle, and it holds right up there. And they smell really good too.
Mm-hmm. It's kind of embarrassing. It took 6.5 years and then you're done in like a day and a half.
Well, you needed good dry weather.
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Well, there it is. I think it looks really nice. That was a great idea with this tongue and groove cedar plank. So hopefully that'll solve your condensation problem.
Yeah, I think it will.
Nice.
Yeah, thank you for your help.
Yeah.